Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to solve an error in OpenCV in Python. An error is attribute error, which states that modules cv2.cv2 has no attribute face, right? So our error come from line number 35, this one right here, as you can see. So how do we solve this error? We solve this error by launching a command pip install opencv contrib python, right? So let's install this. Then after installation of opencv contrib python will get leaked out of this error, right? So let me run once again to see what's happened, right? I hope now you can see an error is no longer existing. So this is how we can solve an attribute error, no modules cv2.cv2, right? So actually this is an end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for next video update. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.